The 2027 Mercedes-Benz E-Class delivers that exact sensation, transforming a mid-size sedan into a rolling luxury cabin that feels closer to a private jet than a car. Engineered by Mercedes-Benz, this all-new E-Class pushes comfort, technology, and refinement into a new dimension. Under the hood, the lineup is expected to feature advanced electrified engines. The E350 variant uses a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 with mild hybrid assistance, producing around 255 horsepower, while higher trims introduce plug-in hybrid systems delivering over 300 horsepower combined. Acceleration is smooth and effortless, with 0 to 60 miles per hour, times ranging from about 6.0 seconds for base models to under 5 seconds for more powerful versions. The exterior design evolves with a cleaner, more aerodynamic silhouette. Slim LED lighting, a refined grille, and flush surfaces give it a sleek, futuristic look without losing its classic elegance. It's subtle but sophisticated, designed to age gracefully rather than chase trends. Inside is where the private jet feeling becomes undeniable. The cabin features a fully digital environment with a wide curved display spanning the dashboard, integrating infotainment, navigation, and driver information seamlessly. Premium materials like leather, wood, and brushed aluminum create a warm yet high-tech atmosphere. Pricing is expected to start around $62,000, climbing to approximately $75,000 or more for higher trims and hybrid variants. Fuel efficiency is one of its strongest advantages, with the mild hybrid models delivering around 26 miles per gallon city and 35 miles per gallon highway, while plug-in hybrids can achieve significantly higher efficiency with electric-only driving capabilities.